Hi, I'm hellorodney. Thanks for clicking on my video. Well, I'm outside and I'm going to show you this sculpture here. Those bricks, and little birds flying by. You can see that those bricks are leaning. Now those bricks were put up straight, and the wind can get so outrageous here that it has blown those bricks to that shape. So I don't know how long it's going to take before they actually tip over. But once they tip over, the next one will be, I'll build it to where it's tipped the other direction, so it's resisting the wind, and then let's see if the wind can upright it and then push it over. But this has been like this for quite some time, and we've had some really incredible winds out here. And those bricks are just standing there, sitting on that surface. They've never been, there's no glue or wire attaching. There's a little piece of wire there, but that was from another project. But they're not wired together, they're not glued together. They're just sitting there. There's a potter. What is his name? Can't remember his name. He makes pots, these shapes that look similar to this. They're real chunky. I'm sure there's somebody out there that will put it in the comments section. But this looks kind of like one of his pots. And I just enjoy making these sorts of things. You can see in the background some more of the things that I've done. Walk over here. I don't know if I've shown you this one or not. Oh, what a beautiful day out here. What a fantastic day. It's early in the morning, and usually right now I would be out walking, but I think I overdid it the other day, and my knee is hurting a little bit. This is a bowl that I experimented with, and I don't know if you can see it, it's got all of these wires embedded in there, and so that's an interesting piece. And I came and brought it outside. It actually matches these little glasses here, so that was kind of fun. This metal plate here, I was riding my bicycle, and I was riding my bicycle by this place, and that plate was sitting out in the yard, and I asked the guy if he was going to use it, and he said no, so I went by and picked it up, and it's a beautiful steel plate with a beautiful texture of paint. And those are fireplace thingies, I don't know what they're called. And this is the kind of thing that I enjoy making. This piece right here it's actually a little, it's a nice piece of wood on there. It's balanced. So anyway, it's back to work this morning, working on the house. And we're almost ready to, you can see right there, up in that area, we're putting the fascia or whatever that's called on there. And then that's all going to get done, and then probably sometime this week we're going to put the windows in. And I got to buy a door, and I'm not really certain what kind of door it's going to be. I think I'd like for it to be a door that has a window that opens to allow airflow, because that's going to be a place where I put my kilns. We're already putting in the top, we're putting these little things called, I call them whirlies, and basically it's a vent that vents hot air. So it should be a perfect spot for those kilns right there by the door. A window on that window over there, blowing hot air through that door. So anyway, I saw that leaning tower over there. There's my little bird bath right there. But that leaning tower over there. And I thought, oh, I'll do a little video on the leaning tower. Okay, I'm Hello Rodney. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.